Okay.
Our new chapter is fifth standard. And this is get to know in the teacher weights this standard fourth.
Teacher, just a second.
Next PPT teacher.
Yeah, just a second, teacher.
Our home and Pranjal camera. Thank you. Sanskruti of camera. All children are touching the mobiles. That one I can't understand. If I see no anybody. Okay, our home and our environment. Next slide. Now the houses in different regions. Importance of houses. Why you need house? You stay to protect from the cold, heat, okay, rain and all that, from thief and all that. We need a house. Okay. Basic needs. What are the basic needs that you had taught in standard fourth and third also? That know what is your basic needs. Thief. Okay, Dhruvi, very good. People becoming homeless. Why the people are becoming homeless? Okay, we will see this. Next slide. House. Why you need a house? It's a place of resting place, a shelter or a resting place where you take a rest. जहाँ पे तुम आराम कर सकते हो. It's called an house. It's an house. House protects us from sun, wind, cold, rains, wild animal, antisocial elements like a thief and all that. Okay. Next slide. Different types of houses. Please see your page number. 1 second. Page number 51. Please open up page number 51 of textbook, children. Okay, 51. Can you see the different houses? Which one? First one. Please name and tell me the name of that house. Come on, tell me the name of that house. First one. Come on, everyone. Hut. Very good. Very good. Hut. Second one. Second one. Cave. Okay, cave. Okay. Third one. Tent. Okay. Cave. Okay. And then third one I'm asking. It's a bungalow. It's not bungalow. It's and chawl. Okay. Then fourth one. Fourth one I want the answer. Building. Good. Building. Very good. Fifth one. Fifth one. Like a core type. Okay. Fifth one. How? Okay. Chawl. Okay. Then last one is a bungalow. Good. Last one is a bungalow. You can say that a bungalow. Good. Next slide. Okay. Can you see this? Can you see the India map? Major region types of houses are over there. Can you see the children? Okay. See which are houses where and all that. Maharashtra कौन से region में desert region में कौन सा रहता है देखो. Can you see this everyone? Okay. See your textbook if you need them. It's given their major region and type of houses are given. Desert region, can you see the desert mountainous range? कौन से type of houses are there? Then plains. See the types of houses where plains. Then region of medium rainfall. The types of houses were given over there. Okay, low rainfall, वहाँ पे कैसे घर रहते हैं. And plateau region, houses are there. Region of heavy rainfall, houses are there. The heavy rainfall. Can you see this everyone? Sea region, mountainous region, plains, region of heavy rainfall. Different types of houses here. This is our house, and we will see about the environment. I mean, जैसे environment है वैसे वैसे उनके भी है. Okay. Observe the map. You are going to do this page number 53 at home today. Observe the map and picture. Compare the following chart. Also, you are going to do today. The region is given types. Flat roofed houses is there. Shape, structure, कौन से shape में है? Building material, roof, wood, and walls, stones, and earth. You are going to write this everything over there. Okay, next slide. Different types of houses in your surrounding. Now we will see different types of houses in your surrounding. Observe the materials to construct the houses. Can you tell me the other material used for construction of the houses? Can anyone tell me? Let me know that you know which materials are used. Cement, very good, and wet mud, good. Ruby, Akshata, good, and cement and stones, okay. And one more thing is there. What's that? Cement. Okay. और क्या कुछ लगता है ना? सिर्फ सीमेंट सीमेंट से घर. Steel rod. Okay. And good. Bricks. Yeah. We need a brick. Okay. Good. And more. Steel rod तो लगते हैं. और से तो भी rod लगते हैं. Tiles. Very good. We need some tiles. Sand. Brick. Okay. Good. Means you know that what are the material is needed to build an house. Okay, grills. Okay, good, very nice. The shapes of houses and building in our surroundings. What are the shapes of your houses? Can you let me know? The shape of your house. Shape of your house. Come on, let me know the answer. Okay, we need a water, very good. Rectangular shape. Okay, Archana has one square shape. Okay, rectangle. Very good. Means you know that which type of shapes are there. Okay, cube. Okay, Dhruvi. Okay, region of heavy rainfall. Now see where the regions of heavy rainfall is there. Konkan region, southern hemisphere in India, having a heavy fall. Okay, this region have an heavy fall. Now stop chatting, children. Stop chatting. Okay, region of medium rainfall. Which are the region of medium rainfall? That is Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Madhya Pradesh. It's a medium rainfall. There are medium rainfall. वहाँ पे medium rainfall होता है. Okay, then low rainfall. Region of low rainfall. Which are there? Upper Ganga Valley, Andhra Pradesh, Southern Plateau of Karnataka. Southern Plateau of Karnataka. Okay, then next slide. Desert region. Which is the desert region? It's a Rajasthan. It's in Rajasthan. वहाँ पे क्या है? पूरा मट्टी वहाँ पर. Okay. Manshi region is Andaman Nicobar Island, East Kolkata wetland. Mountainous region. Which are the mountainous region? The Highland range, the Satpura and Vindhya range, the eastern and western Ghats. Mountainous range जहाँ पे mountain है. This is called a mountain. What and mountain? The name of the mountain are Himalayan range, Satpura. Last time only I asked you about Himalayas, then hills and plateaus and plains. Yes or no? Do you remember that? In our map, I asked about the mountain range, the Himalaya range, the Satpura range. Yes, everyone understood this. Remembering, so very good. Vidyan range, the eastern and western Ghat. Means this chapter are correlated with each children. मीन्स वो बोलते हैं ना बेसिक सीखो, बाद में अलग अलग चैप्टर्स लोग सीख सकते हैं आगे जाके, और कुछ उसमें डिटेल्स रहता है. सो वी शुड अंडरस्टूड व्हाट टीचर इज टीचिंग. ओके, देन प्लेन्स. उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, हरियाणा, वेस्ट बंगाल, असम. These are the plains. Again, I am reading for you. Heavy rainfall कहाँ पे होता है? Konkan region, southern hemisphere in India. I am again repeating again for you. Heavy rainfall, Konkan region, southern hemisphere in India. The region of medium rainfall is in Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Madhya Pradesh. Low rainfall goes under Upper Ganga Valley, Andhra Pradesh, southern plateau of Karnataka. Okay, these are the heavy, medium, and low rainfall. Tell you about the desert region. It's a Rajasthan. Okay, Dhruvi, Assam means my father is good Dhruvi. Okay, Rajasthan. Masi region, Andaman Nicobar Island. Okay, East Kolkata wetland. Region, which are they? They are the Himalaya range, Satpura, and the Vindhya range, the eastern and western Ghat. Eastern and western Ghats. Then about the plains, sorry, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Haryana, West Bengal, Assam. Next, जहाँ पे पानी भी रहता है और सूखा भी रहता है, मार्सी रीजन, चिकड़ चिकड़. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. People build houses to suit climate of their region. Using the natural resources that are available. Differences in the construction and building material give rise to different types of houses. We need a material to build the types of houses. Okay, we cannot build in Badlapur. We can build a house with grass and all. Children, yes or no? Just let me know. Can we build a house with the grass in Badlapur or anywhere in this region? In अपने यहाँ पर till in Maharashtra, yes, you can build. Okay, Ria will build for us a house made of grass and all that. Okay, Ria, we will wait for you, Ria Garud. Okay, to build the house with the help of grass. Okay, Archana also can build. Okay, then you can build a house. We cannot build this type of grass and all that. हमारा region अलग है, the climate is different. Okay, so we cannot build this. Next slide. This is our houses I got to do. It will blow away. Very good. Rovi, very nice. Say it will blow away. We cannot build. So we need cement, brick, steel rod, iron rod, then houses. जो कि बार जोर से आएगी या हवा भी आ सकती है तो कुछ हो नहीं सके हाउस को. What did everyone? अगर going to build grass, thief आएगा, चोर आएगा, उसको जला देगा. बचेगा उसमें कुछ बचने वाला है? No. Yes or no, children? So cannot build a house made of grass over there. इसी जैसे क्लाइमेट है, जैसे अपना रीजन है वैसा बिल्ड अपने को हाउस बिल्ड करना है. That type of house we should build in our climate and region. Okay, everyone. So what are the basic needs? Basic needs for every human beings, which are there? Food, water, clothing, education, and shelter. It's our basic need. Food means which type of food you eat? Come on, let me know the answer. Which food you are going to eat? Let me know. Oxygen you are going to eat. Food. I'm asking basic needs for human being. Food. Which type of food you are going to eat? Healthy food, Arya. Very good. It's an healthy food you are going to eat. Very good. Water. You're going to drink water. Yes, no? Going to drink water. Okay, water. Okay, then clothing. Clothing, which type clothing? जो सूट होता है अपने को, फिल्टर वाटर. ओके, जो क्लाइमेट सूट होता है. We cannot wear a woolen clothes in a summer. पसीना पसीना हो जाएगा. Yes or no? We cannot wear that type of clothes over there. Then clean clothes you can wear. Education is, yes or no? Education is must for everyone. Each child should need and get an education. Shelter. What is the shelter? By shelter. What I taught you. about the shelter. Strong shelter means what, children? I'm asking, what is meaning of shelter? Where will we get a shelter? कहाँ पे मिल सकता है shelter? No, our house. Very good. Ruchi has given the correct answer. Our house is our shelter. Okay. जहाँ पे हम लोग रह सकते हैं, आराम से बैठ सकते हैं, थके हारे हो गए तो कहाँ जाना है अपने को? In our house. Okay, good, Ruchi. Next slide. Okay. Food, clothing, shelter are the basic need of every human beings. Water, food, and shelter are basic need of every human being. However, these needs are not fulfilled in the case of each and every person. सबके लाइफ में ये needs नहीं fulfill होते. Now see the yes or no. Poor children को अच्छा खाना नहीं मिलता है. They clothing also. You don't even have a shelter also. ये सबके नसीब नहीं मिलता है. You're very lucky. They're getting the food also, clothing also, and shelter also. But some of the people are not getting. They are not fulfilling. Then the following situation exists. It depends for food. Okay. Around us, we see many people who lack shelters. They are not having the shelters. They take a shelter under big pipe or under the construction building. वहाँ पे वो लोग रहते हैं. या फिर रोड और साइड पर making a tent and all. They are staying there. Means उनके टीम में घर नहीं है. We are getting the shelter. Then we are so lucky. We are getting the shelter. They seek shelter at the roadside or foot on the beach, in the tumble building, जहाँ पे building वहाँ पर, in a railway or bus stand, and even on an open ground. They are staying there because they are not getting their own money. They can buy the home at all. These are the poor persons who did not get their own houses. Okay, कहाँ से कहाँ उनका घर बनाते हैं वो लोग? Roadside, shelter at the roadside, on okay, under the bridge, in building, in railway station or station, and even open ground. Many people are forced to be homeless. Many people are forced to be homeless. उनको घर नहीं है because they have insufficient or no means to be food. Insufficient because they have insufficient or no means of living. के पास रखने के खाने के लिए नहीं है, so they don't have anything. So how they buy the food home also? Next slide. A section of our society, homeless is a social problem. This is a big problem. So many people are very poor. They don't have a house at all live. They don't have a basic needs also. They don't have basic needs also. Okay, very good, Ria. Natural disaster के वजह से भी homeless people are there. Okay, that's why the government implements many schemes to provide homes to the homeless people. Government has started some schemes कि तुम लोग इतना पैसा भरो और घर ले जाओ, थोड़ा पैसा भरो और तुम्हारा खुद का घर ले लो. Okay, in some of the cities, government makes night shelter available to the homeless people. Night shelter means रात को ही रहना है वहां पर और सुबह उठ के तुम लोग काम कर सकते हो, तुम्हारा काम तुम लोग कर सकते हो. Okay, the women's government had made a rules. Cities, some of the cities, this we don't have this type of rules for that. Okay, next slide. We all have a right to clean, potable water, sufficient food, and a safe shelter and education. सबको right है. We all have these rights that should have a water, safe drinking water, sufficient food. पेट के लिए खाना जरूरी है, a safe shelter जरूरी है, and a must is an education. We need an education. Why people became homeless? Can you see lack of affordable housing? उनके पास house नहीं है, affordable नहीं कर सकते वो house. Okay, did they go back and rejoin again? Poverty, उनके पास पैसा नहीं है, they are very poor. Natural disaster, अभी फ्लड आते हैं या फिर भूकंप आते हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड ए नेचुरल डिजास्टर. ओके, लास्ट ईयर वी गॉट इन फ्लड इन बदलापुर. ये सुनो, कितने जन घर बह चुके, उनके घर के अंदर का सामान पूरा खराब हो चुका. ओके, लैंडस्लाइड. ओके, वेरी नेक्स्ट चैप्टर विल बी टॉट बाय ध्रुवी. ओके, inadequate incoming, देन एम्प्लॉयमेंट, जहाँ पे जॉब नहीं है, इनकम नहीं आ रहा है उनके पास ठीक से. फिजिकल एंड मेंटल डिसऑर्डर, वेरी फिजिकली एंड मेंटल डिस्टर्ब. Disorder means kya? Disturb means kya? Means what? Disturb means they are not proper. They don't have legs. Somebody has not having legs. They cannot see. They are सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है उनको, बात नहीं कर सकते. These are the mental and physical disorder. कोई लंगड़ा है and all that. Means these are the some of the problems that they cannot get a water, proper water, sufficient food also, safe shelters and education. They are not getting each and everything because of these problems. Okay, next slide. Next slide. Can you see this picture? इसमें क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? कोई बता सकता? Tell me what is going in picture. Let me know what is shown in this. You know what is shown in the picture. Means हम लोग कैसे थे पहले? हाँ? क्या हो गए हैं? Changes. They have shown the changes. Only building shown. See from the first. See from the first. First हम कैसे थे? क्या थे? Evolution of how? Okay. First we were monkey type. ऊपर से स्टोन हेज आ गया. ओके, उसमें से क्या हो गया? थोड़ा सा बिल्ड करने लगा. They started making some of caves and all that. Then they started making these caves. Then उसमें से caves में से घर के अंदर आ गए. Okay. Okay, ancient time people built after developing very good live house. Okay, good. Then they started making nice houses made of mud. Comes by the cement. Then the buildings started building. As the time passes, human went on making suitable changes in their shelter. जैसे जैसे ही टाइम चेंज होते गया, खुद से हम लोग अच्छे आलिशान मकान बनाने लगे. यस, मस्त. अब तो कांच के मकान बनते हैं, ऑफ मिरर, मेड ऑफ मिरर. यस और नो? देखा है कांच का मकान? बढ़िया सॉन दिस कांच का मकान. Big buildings are there, 18 floors, 21st floors, 16 floors. So buildings are there, 20 floors, and there 21 floors. कांच चमकते, चक 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 and all that. Okay, it's made up of mirror and all that. Means they कैसे develop? We are getting so much changes, suitable changes. केव से लेके बिल्डिंग तक हम पहुंच गए. These are changes. These other changes. पहले कहाँ पे रहते थे हम लोग? कहाँ पे रहते थे? झाड़ पर रहते थे. As the time passes, human went on developing themselves. Okay, पहले हम लोग we are going to stay on the ट्री से हम लोग छोटे से पत्थर की केव में आ गए. देखो कैसे डेवलप होते गया. ओके, understood everyone? Next slide. Always remember, children, though there are so many different types of houses, everyone is attached to their own house. कितने भी हाउस हो, बड़े हो छोटे, पर खुद का घर खुद का होता है. They are attached to their own house. हमारा घर है, मेरा घर है, मैं मेरे घर जाके सो जाऊंगा आराम से. हम लोग जब दूसरे के घर, I'm giving you one example. Going to our mama's, aunties, grandfather, grandmother's houses, we feel uncomfortable. Why auntie's house, uncle's house? We cannot see. अब यहाँ पे बैठेंगे तो लोग चिल्लाएंगे तो नहीं, यहाँ पे कुछ करेंगे तो लोग चिल्लाएंगे तो नहीं ना. This is not comfortable to us. But when we are in our house, yes or no? But when we are in our house, we feel very nice. We feel very free. We just pay attention what I am talking about. I know you are very smart. Don't chat now. Everyone is attached to their own houses. It is not only the walls and door and windows and roof that makes up a house. इतना ही नहीं, वॉल से घर नहीं बनता है, डोर से घर नहीं बनता है, विंडो से घर नहीं बनता है. ओके, रूफ नहीं बनता है. घर बनता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ पीपल. किससे बनता है? आदमियों से घर बनता है. It is the people who live in the house, their love and affection for one another that turns a house into a home. Turns a house into a home. किससे बनता है आपका घर? आदमियों से जो अपने घर के अंदर रहते हैं. Their mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, our sister, brother, and all that. That gives us a love and affection to each and every one. इससे घर बनता है, आदमियों से घर बनता है, कि डोर, ना कि से, ना कि वॉल से, ना कि विंडो से, किसी से घर नहीं बनता है. ये तो ऐसे खड़ा रहता है, हम लोग बना सकते हैं. घर बनता है हमारे खुद के पीपल से. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Can you see this, children? How does the pollution take place in our environment? How does pollution take place in our environment? Okay, the launch extracted sound means this becomes a sound pollution. Launch का sound, extracting sound होता है. That type of sound is there. Okay, then filling trees and forest cutting. It's also an pollution effects. जंगल खराब हो जा रहा है. देन फॉरेस्ट फायर, उससे पूरा पोल्यूशन, एयर पोल्यूशन होता है. देन क्रॉलिंग, जमीन तोड़ रहे हैं, बिल्डिंग तोड़ रहे हैं. ड्रॉइंग एक्सेस वाटर, पंप से क्या कर रहे हैं, जो पानी है जमीन का निकाल रहे हैं, बाहर निकाल रहे हैं. दिस इज ऑल पोल्यूशन इफेक्ट ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट. इससे खराब होते जा रहा है. Yes or no, children? The sound of second sound becomes the sound pollution. Fire means air pollution. Filling and forest means our jungles and all that is going to be destroyed. Each and every means खोदना and all that. rise जमीन को प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. वाटर एक्सेस इज नॉट, वाटर निकाल रहे हैं वो लोग, इसलिए पानी की प्रॉब्लम, पोल्यूशन हो रहा है. वाटर इज देयर. यस और नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. The pollution of the world is increasing all the time. The pollution of the world, sorry, not pollution, the population of the world is increasing all the time. That is why houses are being built in a large number. Population बढ़ती ही जा रही है अपने की. So what we are doing, we are building the houses in large numbers. Natural resources have to be used in very great quantities to build these houses. They are often using the method listed below. These methods are harmful to the environment and lead to the pollution of air, water, and soil, and also causes noise pollution. एक जगह पे बिल्डिंग बनने के लिए डिग कर लो तो आवाज आता है. That machine was coming so badly. Yes, only the hills digging the road, all that. तुमने देखा हो करके machine का आवाज आता है. या कितना खराब आवाज आता है. Getting a noise pollution because of this. इससे क्या होता है? Pollution create होता है. Hills for coralling, extract the sand from seashores and river beds, extracting stones and earth from the ground, drawing out this amount of groundwater, filling trees to clear water, land, ponds, lakes, streams, rivers, creeks, and low-lying areas to reclaim land. ये सब कुछ सुखा रहे हैं. क्यों? We need and to build a building. ये क्या होता है? पोल्यूशन तैयार हो रहा है. क्योंकि populations are increasing day by day, so we are not getting land. अभी जगह बनाएगी तो कहाँ पे बनाएगी? So what they are doing? They are digging the hills and all that. So digging up the hills and all that means इसको तोड़ रहे हैं और वहाँ पे building बना रहे हैं. Means then filling up the ponds, lakes को खराब बंद कर रहे हैं. Ponds, lake बंद कर रहे हैं. पानी की जगह पे वो लोग building बना रहे हैं. Means each and everyone to build on land, to house build करने के लिए उनको land की जरूरत है. Okay, this is called increasing all the time. Population are increasing, so they are doing what? This destroying. They are destroying all the jungle भी नष्ट कर रहे हैं. तो wildlife कहाँ पे जाएगा? Where does the wildlife go? They will come to our houses to eat the tiffin. चलो मुझे भी खाना पड़ा. Tiger will come and sit beside us. I am very hungry. Please give me food. Yes or no? Elephant will come sit with beside us and telling मुझे भी भूख लगी, मुझे भी खाना. लोग जाएगी कहाँ? अगर we are destroying all the forest and all the hills and all that, all the river beds, all the ponds, lakes, streams, rivers. If we are spoiling this to building the houses and all that, where this wild animal will go? Wildlife will go where? Okay, next slide. Because the growing urbanization, land which was previously being used for agriculture, बढ़ती हुई population को देख के पहले जो land use करते थे इसके लिए agriculture, for field, for growing the vegetables and all that, similar other purposes is now being used to build a road. अभी वो कैसे land use करते for building the road? जाना है ना एक दूसरे के building में तो कुछ तो होना जरूरी है. And to raise settlement, वहाँ पे settlement घर बांध रहे. And this led to shortage of agricultural land. अभी क्या हो रहा है? We are getting shortage of agriculture. Where will we grow our crops? Because no land is remaining for the agricultural purpose. Forest land is used for agriculture. कहाँ पे घुस रहे हैं अभी वो लोग? Forest land में घुस रहे हैं. Trees are filled in great numbers and forests are reduced. देखो trees are great numbers में fill कर रहे हैं. Forest land are getting reduced by day. Energy is needed to produce construction material. It is used on a very large scale to prepare bricks and soil. Okay. Now soil से ही बनती है. अगर जमीन में soil ही नहीं रहेगा, अभी तुम बिल्डिंग बनाओगे, घर बनाओगे, तो वहाँ soil तुमको मिलने वाला है? No, you will get from soil, cement from limestone, glass from sand, and so on. Next slide. Where does energy come from? It is produced using natural fuel like coal. Coal means Kerala. Then natural gas, mineral oil. These natural fuels can be used only once. एक ही बार हम लोग use कर सकते हैं. They get consumed when we use them. Moreover, burning this fuel leads to air pollution. जैसे जैसे हम लोग कार के लिए यूज करते हैं फ्यूल एंड ऑल दैट, कार मींस ऑल व्हीकल्स, क्या होता है? एयर पोल्यूशन होना चालू हुआ. यस और पहले मींस फर्स्ट लॉन्ग एगो देयर वाज यूजिंग अ साइकिल, नो पोल्यूशन वाज देयर. नाउ पोल्यूशन इज देयर. वहां पे जो पोल्यूशन, एयर पोल्यूशन इज देयर. एयर पोल्यूशन उसकी वजह से होती ज्यादा. इट टेक्स अ लैक्स ऑफ फॉर दिस सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी टू फॉर्म इन नेचर. That is why it is necessary to bring into use other source of energy such as solar energy or wind energy. Wind energy means what and solar energy means what? Can you tell me? Solar energy means क्या? किससे मिलती है हमको solar energy? Let me know. Solar energy से मिलती है हमको. Yes, tell me the answer. Get from where? From sun? Very good, Camillen. From the sun we get solar energy. जैसे जैसे हीट बढ़ती है, पता है तुम लोगों को ऊपर सोलर एनर्जी देता है. सोलर पैनल्स आगे ओवर देयर अबाउट द बिल्डिंग्स. ओके. एंड विंड एनर्जी इज फ्रॉम वेयर? ओके. विंड एनर्जी gets from where? विंड एनर्जी कहाँ से मिलती है? Did you know that fans, big fans? Did you saw that big fans over there? जो गोल गोल रहते हैं. Okay, from there we get wind energy, windmill. Okay, wind energy, which are available in plenty and which do not cause pollution. These are not exhaustible sources of energy. All living things need shelter. Like humans, some other living things also build shelter using various materials in their environment. Last year, we saw that their shelters are eco-friendly and temporary. Eco-friendly and temporary means कभी भी हवा से या पानी से उड़ सकते हैं. We should also be able to make permanent houses that are eco-friendly. Slide. Next slide. Some characteristics of eco-friendly house. Can you see this? Eco-friendly houses. Minimum consumption of natural resources. Use of non-exhaustible sources of energy such as biogas. Biogas, everyone must be knowing. Wind energy and solar energy. बायोगैस से बनता है, कचरे को बर्न करने के बाद गैस जो निकलती है उसको कहते हैं बायोगैस. एवरीवन मस्ट बी नो. सी दैट वी नो दैट. रिसाइकल वाटर, रिसाइकलिंग ऑफ गार्बेज. ओके, रिसाइकल ऑफ पानी जो खराब रहता है उसको रिसाइकल करते हैं लोग. ओके, रिसाइकलिंग ऑफ गार्बेज, गार्बेज को रिसाइकल that also you know. Avoiding artificial material and artificial colors. Provision for natural light and ventilation in the house. These are all the eco-friendly houses. Next slide. Underwater shelter. Underwater shelters or habitats are structures in water which people can live and carry out most of basic human functions, such as working, resting, eating, etc. Recent underwater habitats have generative systems of air, water, food, electricity, and other resources. From this shelter, we get a direct view of the seabed and amazing marine life. Underwater shelter, it's in Singapore, I think so, जहाँ पे पानी के नीचे हम लोग रह सकते हैं और ऊपर से हमारे क्या जाता है फिशेस एंड ऑल दैट कैन सी द बोलते हैं ना we can see all the views the water inside that. Okay, बैठे बैठे बेड पर हम लोग बस हो सकते हैं और we can see the marine life over there under the water. Amazing marine life that we can see. Okay, next slide. Do you know city of Mumbai comprised sand island? Portion of water body between them were filled with stone and earth to create land. Later settlement roads and industries were developed on this land. Since this reclaimed land is in a low-lying area, it is easily get waterlogged when there is heavy downpour. Lastly, what we have learned, I have now, we observe various types of houses construction in region, different climates. Houses are built to suit the climate that of that region. Different materials are obtained from nature are used to build house. We should be judicious in using energy. It is necessary to increase the use of non-exhaustible source of energy. It is necessary to build eco-friendly house. We must take care that the environment is not harmed. I have taught you this today chapter. Everyone has been clear. Thank you, teacher, for showing the PPT.